Buy one, get one free, huh? Any 6-inch Subway and get the second one free or equal until 9 a.m. Who makes a stupid special like this? I like to know. And look at this fake meat. I don't even know if this is chicken. Yuck. I don't think so. You might want to sell those for $2.99 because you guys are going to end up out of business if you guys don't do something about this fake processed food you're giving us with the GMOs, okay? I think I'll pass on this. No thanks. No thanks, Subway. You're not going to dupe me.